Could your gut be the key to better mental health? A fascinating new theory suggests that your mental well-being might not only be affected by what's happening in your mind, but also by your stomach. Shocking, right? Stay with me as we dive deep into the incredible connection between your gut and your brain, and how a healthier gut could change everything about how you feel. Did you know that nearly 1 in 7 individuals globally are living with a mental health disorder? These conditions affect millions of people every day, from anxiety and depression to more severe disorders. But what if the cause of some of these mental health struggles is not just what's happening in our heads, but also in our stomachs? Researchers have uncovered something truly groundbreaking. The trillions of microbes in our gut communicate directly with our brain, influencing our mood, stress levels, and even our ability to think clearly. But the big question remains, do these microbes play a role in triggering mental health issues, or are they simply reacting to what's happening elsewhere in the body? The impact of mental health disorders is global. According to the World Health Organization, nearly 1 billion people worldwide suffer from mental health conditions, with the most common being anxiety and depression. These disorders don't just affect the mind, they impact lives, relationships, and productivity on a massive scale. And the costs? They are astronomical, far beyond healthcare expense. Now, here's where it gets exciting. Scientists have discovered something called the microbiota gut-brain axis. This system links your gut and brain, suggesting that changes in gut health could directly affect mental health. Researchers are exploring whether improving the health of our gut microbiome could actually help treat conditions like depression, anxiety, PTSD, and even schizophrenia. From animal studies to clinical trials, the evidence is mounting. Probiotics, dietary changes, and even fecal microbiota transplants have shown promise in improving mood and reducing anxiety. And here's the kicker, even psychiatric medications are known to influence the gut microbiome, further proving that what happens in your stomach doesn't stay there, it impacts your mind. So, could a healthy gut truly transform mental health care? Paul Joyce, a leading expert, suggests that lifestyle factors like diet, stress, and environment are crucial. And if gut bacteria are proven to play a direct role in mental illness, it could revolutionize how we approach mental health, from diagnosis to treatment. The next step is exciting. Researchers are pushing to follow gut changes over a longer period, involving larger, more diverse groups of people. The hope? To unlock how diet, environment, and culture can affect the gut-brain connection and develop treatments that are more effective and longer-lasting. Imagine a future where mental health is no longer just treated by medications alone, but also by nurturing the one thing we've always overlooked, our gut. A healthy gut could be the key to a happier, healthier life. Isn't it time we start paying attention to our stomachs for a change? If you found this connection between your gut and mental health as fascinating as we did, make sure to hit that like button. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family so they can learn about this groundbreaking science too. And if you're new here, hit subscribe and turn on notifications, so you never miss an update on the latest discoveries in health and wellness. Let's keep the conversation going, because when it comes to mental health, we all deserve to feel our best. Together, we can unlock the secrets to a happier, healthier life.